Several AI projects have made up to 300% in the last few weeks. Why the hype about AI? Which projects have potential? How sustainable are the increases in AI projects? What could have triggered the increase, and much more along with these questions in today's video. Welcome, dear future millionaires. My name is Mr. Krypto. I upload videos every day and show you how to make money. Press the subscribe button to stay up to date and not miss any more important videos. The company OpenAI captivated investors with its ChatGPT. All the more so since the Microsoft Corporation has invested billions in the startup and has announced that it will integrate ChatGPT into its Bing search engine. There are now even experts who, for the first time, are assuming that there could be a real attacker on the search engine Google, of the parent company Alphabet, which has been dominant for years. However, I still think this is very premature. Even if ChatGPT's performance is impressive, it must be said that others have failed with attacks on Google. Wolfram Alpha deserves special mention here. On the crypto markets, on the other hand, there is much less interest in whether ChatGPT can continue to be successful and possibly attack Google in cooperation with Microsoft. Rather, one tries to find interesting crypto projects from the field of artificial intelligence, AI, in English artificial intelligence, therefore there, AI, and of course there are. The flagship project, already ennobled by Forbes in the past as Crypto Google, is of course the Graph, GRT. But FETCH.ai, FET, SingularityNet, AGIX, or Ocean Protocol, Ocean, should also be mentioned here. SingularityNet, AGIX, in particular shot the bird off, as the token was able to triple in just 1 week. You can see what is still possible with cryptos. If you like it that speculative, you are of course welcome to look around for other AI projects. The best way to do this is to go to the coinmarketcap.com website and call up the Graph or FETCH.ai. There you will see so-called tags that are assigned to the projects. One of these tags is called AI/Big Data and Quant. If you click on this tag, you will get a list of all crypto projects with the corresponding tag. But where you can make a lot of money relatively quickly, you can always lose a lot of money relatively quickly. In addition, I would not buy a coin/token that has already achieved plus 200% in 7 days. Because if profits are taken, such a coin/token can quickly be halved. But if there are such setbacks, things look different. That could then be an opportunity for speculators. However, not only speculators are currently getting their money's worth on the crypto markets, but also those investors who are oriented towards the longer term. If you want to act as such, you should not necessarily rely on current trend topics such as artificial intelligence. Rather, focus on the larger crypto projects that are already established. In general, little to nothing works in the crypto markets without Bitcoin. In fact, Bitcoin recently shot up to over $19,000 again. Up to $20,000 it can now run without any problems. But then there should also be a correction here. Nevertheless, the fundamental situation of Bitcoin and cryptos is now looking a little better again. The technical chart situation even more so, and the sentiment is anything but euphoric. The general interest in Bitcoin and company remains high. All in all a good mix, which should then also benefit other, larger, cryptos. As is well known, the number 2 of the crypto market is the smart contract platform Ethereum. The associated cryptocurrency is the Ether. Fundamentally, things are looking better again for the Ether. In terms of the chart, the Ether, even compared to the Bitcoin, was already fully convincing in the end. Here, too, the rather negative sentiment fits and rounds things off. But in addition to Bitcoin and Ether, other larger coins/tokens are also interesting. Above all, of course, Polygon, Matic, probably the leading layer 2 protocol in the Ethereum world. Recently there was even a report that none other than the South Korean technology giant Samsung had decided to work with Polygon, Matic. Another news that ennobles the project. But Ava Labs, the company behind the crypto project Avalanche, AVAX, probably didn't want to be inferior. Ava Labs recently announced that it has entered into an extensive cooperation with Amazon.com, specifically with the Amazon subsidiary Amazon Web Service, AWS, which did the course of the Avalanche coin quite well over the course of the week. 2021 was comparable to 2017. Just as 2017 saw Bitcoin hit an all-time high around $20,000, 2021 saw a new all-time high around $69,000. The year 2022 was then similar to 2018. At that time Bitcoin fell from $20,000 to around $3,200. This time it went from around $69,000 to, thanks to the FTX implosion, around $15,000. Accordingly, 2023 and 2024 could be like 2019 and 2020. At the time, things were very volatile and the cryptos rose moderately, but on balance the prices rose. Before the big bull run came in 2020-2021. Accordingly, you should also slowly collect good cryptos such as Polygon, Matic, or Avalanche, AVAX, and others in the current and the coming year. for the next bull run, probably in late 2025 or early 2026. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, you future millionaires! And Quant.